I'm back in Comuna 13, about almost a year and a half or so after I first came here. You can see the statue of Pablo Escobar there. Normally, Colombians don't like to talk about him and they don't like being reminded of him, but that's the statue of Pablo Escobar. Well, whether they like it or not, the drug trade and him are part of this history. So I decided to come back to Comuna 13 because the last time I came, there wasn't a lot happening. Gracias. Gracias. I don't speak Spanish, I just know gracias. But the last time I was here, there wasn't that much going on. The whole place was... I think I'm going to get food from here, maybe the fish. Hopefully I don't get salmonella from it like I got in Cartagena. But like I was saying, the last time I was here, the stores weren't set up. So I decided I'm going to come back and check it out with the stores. But you know, there's police, there's ample security there. But even then, you still make sure you don't stay in this area for too long. This is Comuna 13. I guess that's an impersonator. A Pablo. I thought they said they were trying to forget about him. He don't look like him. Last time I went up that way. So I thought I'd come in the evening. Last time I was here, I did a video with the history of Comuna 13 with a narrator or guide. Gracias.
Es especial para familiares y
Dale allá arriba donde está inicial.
There's so many of these guys.
Wow.
Hi, good. come back. When I come back. I gotta take a rest. I'm gonna pause the video. Yeah. I'll pick up from where I started. There's so many bars.
No le diga eso que se arranque.
Like I said, I did the history of Comuna 13 about a year and a half ago. But I decided to come in the evening time. It's a totally different vibe in the evening. And this is a famous escalator that is powered by the sun, by solar energy. I remember getting empanadas somewhere around here. It was really nice. Yeah, it was up there. I got empanadas. Let me see whether the same lady is still there. I just saw a cat.
Wow!
We can go and try. Hi, how you doing? I remember this from a year and a half ago. And those steps.
Galería de
like some stuff.
Muchas gracias, Anita, muy amable. ¿Qué buen amor?
Can I get empanada? Sausage? And,
¿Quieres? Hola. ¿Quieres?
no español.
Potato.
Potato? No, no potato.
Chao.
I'm going to pause the video for a little bit. I'm going to end part one here at the elevator and then I'll continue after I eat my empanada.